In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to migrate a WordPress website to Hostinger step by step. If you're moving your site to Hostinger for better performance, lower costs, or easier hosting management, this process is actually much simpler than most people think. Hostinger provides a built-in migration tool that can transfer your entire WordPress website, including files, database, themes, and plugins with very little manual work required. That means you don't need to download backups, upload files through FTP, or manually move databases. Everything can be handled directly inside your Hostinger dashboard. I'll walk you through the exact process from logging into Hostinger all the way to submitting your migration request so your website gets transferred safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look at the main menu and navigate to the Websites section. This is where all the domains and websites connected to your hosting account are managed. Find the domain where you want your WordPress website to be migrated to. Once you locate it, click on it to open the Website Management panel. Inside this area, you'll see several options for managing your hosting, files, domains, and WordPress settings. What we're looking for here is the Website Migration feature. In the Website Management area, find and click the option labeled Migrate Website. Hostinger offers free website migrations for many hosting plans, which means their system or support team will handle most of the transfer process for you. After clicking Migrate Website, Hostinger will ask how you want to migrate your site. You'll see multiple migration options depending on the type of website you currently have. For this tutorial, choose the option that says Use Login Details. This method is usually the fastest because it allows Hostinger to securely access your existing WordPress installation and move everything automatically. Once you select Use Login Details, the system will prompt you to enter a few important details about your current website. These details allow Hostinger's migration system to connect to your existing site and copy all the data properly. Next, enter the URL of the website that you want to migrate. This should be the full address of your current website where WordPress is already installed. Make sure the URL is correct so Hostinger can access the right site during the migration process. After entering the website URL, you'll be asked to choose the platform your site is currently using. Since we're migrating a WordPress website in this tutorial, select the WordPress option. If your previous hosting uses cPanel, Hostinger may also provide a cPanel option depending on your setup, but in most cases, selecting WordPress is the correct choice. Now the system will ask for your WordPress login credentials. Enter the username and password you normally use to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. These credentials allow Hostinger's migration tool to securely access your website so it can copy the files, database, themes, plugins, and settings to your new hosting environment. Double-check that your login details are correct before submitting the request. Once everything looks good, continue and complete the migration request. After submission, Hostinger will begin processing the migration. In many cases, their system or support team will handle the entire transfer for you, and you'll receive a notification once the migration is completed. And that's basically it. You've now submitted a WordPress website migration to Hostinger using their built-in migration tool. Once the transfer finishes, you can test your website, update your domain's name servers if necessary, and make sure everything loads correctly on the new hosting account. If this video helped you learn how to migrate a WordPress website to Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials, WordPress guides, and hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.